Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, we got to talk about yesterday. So yesterday, I wasn't really loving too much in the market. I really didn't have a whisper, but I was definitely watching the SPY, which was in a pretty tight range yesterday, boomeranging off of all of my levels. And yesterday, I was posting on StockTwits and Twitter that I was spotting tons of these late buy prints at this 210.22 level, which we kept bouncing off of all day. And you can see right now, actually, we are still hitting that same level. So I'm looking for a breakdown below 210 to go short again. So keep your eye on that level. If not, we have resistance up at this 210.80 level. So we've been in quite a tight range of that. So keep your eyes still on all of those levels. If you recall the other day, I spotted those really late sell prints at 211.14. If we break above that area, I will turn bullish once again. So those are the levels that I am watching. Now, yesterday, I scaled out of part of my position on Sprint. If you recall, on Monday, my whisper was I'm bullish above that 5 level. You can see tremendous volume has been coming in. She looks like she wants to fill in the gap, but I'm scaling out. Watch that 550 level today to see if she can break through. Also, UGAZ, if you recall the other day, my whisper was I'm bullish above this 280 level. She hit my first target at 3. So the next trade on this is if she breaks above 3, from 3 to about 320, but I'm not in it right now. So my traders yesterday were rocking it, especially EYES. Did you guys see this yesterday? Look at this run. So many of the traders got a piece of this. Roxanne did. 9 cents, made 60 cents on that. But the trader of the day yesterday, she really is a superstar. Leslie, a.k.a. Glider Girl. She rocked eyes for over $3. She rocked dust for like 70 cents. TBT swing trade, $1.56. LGF, XIV, Sprint she rocked for 20 cents. I think she rocked everything yesterday. So congratulations. It's always so great to have you in the room. We really do have some phenomenal traders in the room, and it's really great. So thank you, Leslie, for sharing, okay, all your great stock picks with us. So what am I watching today? Well, a lot of stuff's coming out. The jobs numbers, you can see the SPY's kind of been hitting all those levels, but holding on to that 20 right now. We also had some stress test results, right? So it's a mixed bag. Goldman Sachs, first of all, did not do so well. I drew a lower trend line down here, but I can see possible 185 if she breaks that 180. Bank of America, however, had some positive results. Well, at least the stock is going up, but going to be bullish only above 1650 level. Okay, there were one big print that came in here at 1641. Watch that level, but I'm really looking for a break of 1650. And then I have a high-end resistance at about 17, but could have resistance right here at 1675 if she breaks up. Also, another big print I spotted, UBS, right here. 375,000 shares printed at 1766. Drew a line in my chart here. I'm going to be bullish above that print. And then I drew some lines on my day chart here. So 1840-ish, 50 level is resistance there. I'm going to watch this 1775 level to see if I can get a trade off of that. Also, let's see. Oh, BIG came out with earnings. It's moving up already. Bullish above 4. Sometimes they move before we can get into them pre-market. There's still a little bit more room to the upside. Well, 48.75 was my target. You know what? This guy could be done already. 49. All right, sometimes you snooze, you lose. Also, another stock that came out with earnings, Staples. Not that much volume here, but it's really not looking too pretty for it. I'm going to be bearish below 16 with a target on the short at 15.50. So come watch. Now, these are just a couple of call outs. We call out great trades all day long. We were trading the solar stocks were really hot yesterday. Come watch me trade along with my amazing traders. Java Pit Trading Room, www.thestockwhisper.com. It's only $9.95. Trial membership. Got nothing to lose. Happy trading, everybody.